मंगळारा भारताच्या पुरातत्व सर्वेक्षणाच्या संरक्षित दायज थळार बांदिल्ल्या पोरण्या गोंयांतल्या बेकायदेशीर बांदकामा आड निशेध करपाक फुडारपण करपी आमची गोंय टीएमसीची फुडारी एना ग्रेशियस हांच्या वांगडा आमी आसा. पोरण्या गोंयांत आशिल्लो तो बेकायदेशीर बंगलो मोडपा खातीर जे NGO आनी कार्यकर्ते झगडटले तांकां आमी तेंको दितले म्हण गोंय तृणमूल काँग्रेसीचो मिडिया समन्वयक ट्राजानो डिमेलो उलयला. RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
TMC will stand by its leader Anna Gracias, who yesterday led an education on Azad Maidan with other activists. But let me tell you that TMC will stand behind every NGO, every activist that is trying to demolish this, working hard to get this illegal bungalow demolished. Now, everybody will know, and I have just read a letter, that Mahua Moitra, our MP, who had promised the people during her assembly elections in Goa that she would take up the matter, though we did not get a single seat. She stood by her word, raised it up in 0 hour, confirmed by the union minister, who wrote to her saying that after you raising it, he took up the matter, and on 16th August, that a resolution was passed, and an order was passed to demolish this bungalow. Now this order was challenged in the High Court. And at that point of time, there is a lawyer who is standing for the union government and the archaeological survey and the director general says before the court that yes, we have made a lapse. And the court should now decide. Now, if this is not sellout, what is it? Is our question. I assure you that TMC will take up this issue once the whole hangama that is going on today in the Lok Sabha. We'll take it up within this week. Before Mohitra, once again, she will not leave it. Everybody knows her. Derek O'Brien, the Rajya Sabha, is not going to leave it. We will take it up to its logical conclusion, and we will stand behind the fight of this Save Goa Action Committee and all others. Like for example, yesterday the Zilman has given such a strong argument, but the council who sold out by the High Court judgment says it, that he has accepted and he has said that the court decided, and the court has decided to go ahead.